Welcome back to Origami videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this paper origami dove. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper. I'm using 20 by 20 centimeters. And we'll start by folding our paper on a diagonal. In next step, we'll fold our paper in half on this line. So we'll just flip this over. Align it, and once we have it, we just press it down. In next step, we will bring one of the sides up to this line. And we will turn our paper around and repeat these steps. Just like this. Now, when we have these points up here, we'll take one point and we'll fold it down to this line. Just like this. Really press it down firmly, because later we will reverse fold it. And once we have it, we open it. So this side is folded over. And we just press the middle triangle down, like this. And we reverse fold it on the same lines that we had. So it's easier if you just pinch it here. And adjust so it's on the same lines and press it down. In next step, we'll repeat this on the other side. So down to the center, align it with the upper line from the other side. Really press it down firmly. Now open it a little bit. Open it more. And press this triangle down and follow the lines. So just pinch it together and press them down. Now we'll start with the head of the dove. We'll just twist this part around. So take this point, twist it over here in the middle of the paper so that this point is over the line. And press it down. Again, really firmly, because we will reverse fold it. If you want, you can also turn it to the other side. And now we'll open it a little bit and we'll press this part down. If I show it from the upper. So press down and fold it in like this. Once we have it, we'll put our dove down and we will open the wings. So we just take it here and just press it up. And once it's like this, we press it down. Again, turn it around, take this wing, so the upper part of the paper, and fold it up like this. Now all we need to do is fold the tail. We start by folding this paper to this line, so where the wings are from the back side, this line, we fold it over and align it with this line here. And press it down. And in next step, we will hold our dove here and we will open the tail of it like this in the middle and we'll press it down on this folded line on both sides, and we'll just press this paper down so that it hugs the dove like this. So again, if I show you, it's up, and hold it here and just press it down. And this is how you make origami dove.